हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ब्रांड्स मेकर। और आज मैं आप लोगों को ग्लोबल रिच वर्ल्ड कंपनी के बारे में फुल इन्फॉर्मेशन देने जा रही हूँ। तो सबसे पहले हम इस कंपनी के कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन को डिस्कस कर लेते हैं अबाउट ग्लोबल रिच वर्ल्ड। वेलकम टू ग्लोबल रिच वर्ल्ड, इंट्रोड्यूसिंग अ न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी ऑफ मेकिंग मनी. It is authorized US-based program which is latest fully automated and highly secure with latest technology. Our highly educated and skilled developers are managing and upgrading this program. Company running its all servers and services from United States, having multiple branches in world to provide powerful services. Global Rich World is not only a company, is a smart system developed by extraordinary developers. This intelligent and transparent system works automatically to generate profit by understanding analytics of market. And this feature enables the distribution of profit of the company to all investors' accounts automatically as soon as the system generates the profit. We are best in the world to provide high-paying benefits, secure investment system, on-time solution and support. Company offering its best suited plan to the world to work with them as partner to get share of company's profits. It is unique system launching in all world to make money by working in it with simple and effective payment distribution program. फ्रेंड्स, अब हम चलते हैं इस कंपनी के टाइप्स ऑफ इनकम के बारे में। फर्स्ट, डायरेक्ट इनकम। सेकंड, ऑटो पुल इनकम। थर्ड, बूस्टिंग इनकम। फोर्थ, अपग्रेड इनकम। फिफ्थ, लेवल इनकम। सिक्स्थ, रिचार्ज डिस्काउंट। सेवंथ, बेनिफिट ऑफ एक्सीडेंटल इंश्योरेंस $65 to $600। फ्रेंड्स, डायरेक्ट स्पॉन्सर्ड इनकम 30% plus 5% again and again income your direct sponsor. Friends, we will discuss about our mission and vision. Mission is to be dream achievers and a network search out of innovative way to build up our organization to achieve high quality of life. Vision is we will always ensure engage in activities that will eradicate poverty by empowering our partners to move up to the next level in life. अब हम चलते हैं इस कंपनी के ऑटो पुल इनकम की तरफ। तो फर्स्ट, टीम 2 top is $0.50, Emerald $1.66, Ruby $5.55, Gold $16.66, Diamond $50, and Crown $222.22. Second, team 4 top is $1, Emerald $3.33, Ruby $11.11, Gold $33.33, Diamond $100, Crown $444.44। अब ऐसे ही ऑटो पुल इनकम को हम सीरियल नंबर वाइज देख लेंगे। एंड लास्ट 9 टीम 512 top is nothing, Emerald $426.66, Ruby $1,422.22, Gold $4,266.66, Diamond $12,800, Crown $56,888.88. Total top is $127.5, Emerald $851.23, Ruby $2,838.85, Gold $8,516.62, diamond $25,550, crown $1,13,555.51. Friends, next is level income, means total income. Level. First, top is $0.04166. Imran $0.25. Ravi $1.50. Gold $4. Diamond $10. Crown $50. Second, top is $0.04166. Imran $0.25. Ravi $1.50. Gold $4. Diamond $10. Crown $50. फ्रेंड्स, लेवल इनकम को भी हम लाइन वाइज देखते चलेंगे. एंड लास्ट 12 इज टॉप इज $0.04166. इमरान $0.10. रवि $0.50. गोल्ड $2. डायमंड $5. क्राउन $25. एंड टोटल इज $0.49,992. इमरान $2.5. रवि $10. गोल्ड $32. डायमंड $90. एंड क्राउन $400. Now we will discuss about its joining amount. Top is rank $3.50 and direct income $1. Total level income is equal to $0.49,992. Total auto poll income $127.5. And total income is $127.9992. Now we will discuss about upgrade account. Emerald $15. Direct income $4.5. Total level income $2.5. Total auto poll income $851.23. Total income $853.73. Third upgrade account is Ravi rank $50. Direct income $15. Total level income $10. Total auto poll income $2,838.85. Total income is equal to $2,848.85. Fourth upgrade account is gold $150. Direct income $45. Total level income $32. Total auto poll income $8,516.62. and total income is $8,548.62. Fifth upgrade account diamond $450. Referred income $135. Total level income $90. Total auto poll income $25,550. Total income $25,640. Sixth upgrade account is crown $2,000. Referred income $600. Total level income $400. Total auto poll income $1,13,555.51. Total income $1,13,955.51. Now we will discuss about its boosting income. Invest $10, earn $20. Withdrawal details. First, minimum request $5. Second, admin charge 5%. Third, direct sponsor 5%. Payment and charge withdrawal deduction 10%. Second, direct joining compulsory. Third, minimum withdrawal $5. Friends, Now we will discuss about it. Terms and condition. First is one mobile number, unlimited ID create. Second, withdrawal condition, two direct. Third, P2P transfer. Fourth, registration free. Fifth, 9 to 11 pm withdrawal time. Sixth, mobile recharge, DTH recharge available. Seventh, ID activation, USDT, BPP is 20. Now friends, if you want to contact us, ifo@globalreachworld.com. Second, www.globalreachworld.com. And third location is E108 Adam Street, New York, NY 5350222, United States. Thank you.